Alright guys, today we're going to be changing the air filter on my Kx112. So we're going to start by taking out these 4 bolts that hold on the number plate. And we're going to set this aside. And we're going to come to the other side. Take these out. Set this over here. Now we're going to take the seat off. This bolt right here is what holds the air filter on. You gotta undo this. It's a pretty long bolt, so it'll take a minute. And since my airbox is pretty dirty, we're gonna have to use contact cleaner and a paper towel to clean it out. Now, we're gonna set this aside. Put our bolt over here. And we're gonna pull the cage out of our old filter. And we're gonna put in the new one. And I like to make sure it's up on the edge, so I run my fingers around it and push it towards the blue part. Now we're going to take our bolt. We're going to make sure that it goes through the entire bolts in. And this is ready to go. We're going to take a paper towel and some contact cleaner. And we're going to have to clean out our airbox, since my air filter has a lot of grease on the outside to keep the dirt out. So we're going to spray some on our paper towel. We're going to wipe it around the edge of this. This is the most important spot that you have to wipe, so that none of the extra old dirt goes back in the airbox. And then just run it around the rest of it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it should be pretty clean. This is trash. Now we're going to take our filter again. And on the Kx85 and the 112, the side that is bigger is on the top. So you put it in and make sure that it's lined up right with the side. And you screw the bolt in. And make sure this gets nice and tight so you don't have any leaks. Alright. Now we have to put our seat back on. So this just slides on. Make sure that it goes into the notch. And on both sides of the subframe. And then you take your ratchet and both of your number plates. And we're going to make sure that this goes under this bolt. And it slides in there. And then slides in there. Tighten these down. These have to be extra tight because they like to vibrate off. Alright, now we grab our other number plate, go to the other side, and just like the other side, make sure it goes into both sides right. And screw these in, press your seat down. bolt. And then you screw this one in. And remember to make sure that these are extra tight. Alright guys, for more content on Ty the Project Guys YouTube channel and Mason 909, and we'll see you on the next one.